to the presentation. We're going to start with talking about a fictitious university called All About Learning. We're going to go through its profile and some of its needs that it was facing in the current environment. We're going to follow that up with reviewing some higher education trends that are impacting the All About Learning University and how it affects the case study. In addition, we're also going to try to figure out a solution that's Hyperion Strategic Finance focused that applies to All About Learning University and tackle its needs. And lastly, I'm also going to leave you behind with some Hyperion Strategic Finance representative screenshots so you can pretty much get a look and feel of all the of the entire product and see how it is in action. With that, I'll switch on to talking a little bit about the case study. So, All About Learning University. So, this is basically, from the case study standpoint, it's a fictitious university, and with basically focus on the higher ed institution market. It's a prestigious higher ed institution with many Nobel laureates and Pulitzer Prize-winning faculty, with about 20,000 plus students, 1,200 plus in faculty, and 20 plus academic units that offer courses towards a variety of undergrad and graduate degrees. So the need for All About Learning University was to basically get an integrated and a data-driven decision support system that allowed them not just to create an agile and accurate, trustworthy budgeting and planning, but also forecasting solution, with the additional need that they wanted to have enhanced scenario and modeling capabilities on their forecasting solution. So just to reiterate, it's just a fictitious university case, and it just is a representation of our work from projects in the past, just to protect the innocent. So what do they need help with? So all about Learning University, just to reiterate, we're in the higher ed vertical. So one of the big things that the challenges they faced was they were never able to model their business in the way it was run. They were only able to model it in the way the revenue or the expense accounts were coded in the general ledger. What I mean by that is, let's take an example of, say, student revenue. So when you look at student revenue, the way it was coded in the general ledger was very straightforward, as in it had one or two GL accounts that pretty much summarize the revenue the entire institution made across the length and breadth of the university. So unfortunately, that was not the way the business was run, right? I mean, so if you think about student fees, there's undergraduate revenue, there's graduate revenue, and then there's online revenue, and then there are new ways of revenue that's coming along in the marketplace right now. So to model the business the way it was run, they were not able to do it with the current set of tools and technologies they had in place. The